Hello everyone, welcome back to Manu Driving School. I'm going to record another test route for Broadmeadows because I got a lot of requests from people that they want to see Broadmeadows test route. So I'm going to take you on this test route, and this test route has a lot of stop sign, a lot of 40 sign, a lot of narrow roads. So please be careful when you're going on this test route. Make sure you stop on a stop sign. So let's start. You'll be asked when you're ready, move off to the car park. So right indicator, cars go on drive, handbrake down, make sure you have seen everything clear. Small right hand turn here, then give it a pause, right again, and check your right hand side, nothing. Like I mentioned before, you can only turn left here in my previous video. Both lane needs to be clear. Now next traffic light, turn left, mirror, indicator, head check to the left because there's a bike lane here. No one waiting after the pedestrian crossing. Nothing is coming from my right hand side, so I can go. The speed limit says 60 now. So if it's 60, I can go 50, 58. And if you're a really good driver, you can go 60 as well, guys. But do not go over the limit. If you need to see my other test route, there's one more test route for Broadmeadows. Please go to my YouTube channel, and we're doing a different now. So if you look at the marking ahead, if you get no instruction, you need to merge. So indicate right, head check to right, and bring your car to the center. Indicate goes off. The speed limit here is 60 km. So make sure you drive around 50, 55 or 58. After the traffic light, turn right. Look your rear view mirror, indicate right. Try to get in from the first broken lane. If nothing coming from straight, just turn right, and when you're turning, have a look on the speed sign, 50 km. There's a lot of speed hump sign here, so make sure you slow your car down. Next street, turn right, mirror, signal right, again slow your car down and turn to the left hand side of the road. Don't turn to the center. If there's no speed sign, the speed limit would be 50 km. You can go 40, 45 if it's safe to drive. End of street, turn left. Mirror, signal, slow it down, position your car to the left, and then turn left next street. Now, next street, turn left. If you look at the speed sign, there's a crossing ahead, there's a 40 km sign, but we're turning left, so we are still in 50 km zone. Next roundabout, turn right, mirror, signal right, give way to your cars coming from your right hand side, and after that, if nothing, it is your right of way. Now there's a red car parked in front of me, and there's a grey car coming from other side, so I should go slow so that I don't have to stop for him. And now I can go over the line. I don't have to indicate to go there, and I can come back to my lane. Remember guys, you only have to indicate if the whole car is going to the right hand side. If you're just going half there, half here, there's no need to indicate. Alright, again I'm going just half to the right, but I'm keeping my half car to the left hand side, so no indicator. Next roundabout, turn left. Mirror, indicator, do your shoulder check quickly if nothing coming from right hand side. Next street, turn left, mirror, indicator, slow it down, let pedestrian cross the road, and then once he's gone, we can go. Now like I said in the beginning, this test route is a bit congested, so make sure you're going slow. Remember, when it's a congested, there's no speed limit applies. You can go safe because there could be a lot of things behind these cars, so you need to stay in control. You get time to drive fast as well when it's all clear. Be patient when you're driving straight like these. Next street, turn right. Sorry, next roundabout, turn right. Mirror, signal, check your right, nothing approaching, continue going with this. There's no need to rush, but try not to stop for no reason. normally this roundabout we're going straight, no instruction. Now normally the test is in 2 stages, stage 1 and stage 2. So stage 1 is only for 10 to 15 minutes guys, and stage 2 is about 20-25 minutes depending upon how you're driving. Now I should wait here because you can see there's a lot of cars parked in front of me. There's a white car approaching from other side. I can't block him. Once I have stopped, I need to indicate right, head check, and then I go forward. Next street, turn left, mirror, signal, nothing approaching from right hand side. And next street, turn right, so indicate, and we're turning right. If you look at the speed sign, this street has a permanent 40 sign, right? So now we need to go 30 to 35. When safe, perform 3-point turn, right indicator, shoulder check to right. Get into the driveway guys, but do not get into the private property. So stop before the fence start. Reverse, look on your left hand side, look on your right hand side, and look over your shoulder to the rear window, and just turn your car all the way. You can use your camera while you're going reverse, or you can do shoulder check. Finally indicate right, car on drive, and that's it guys. This is 3-point turn. End of street, turn right, indicate right. After these 2 cars, make sure you move your car back to the left hand side, but position it straight again. Make sure your indicator stays on, nothing coming. We turn, and we are out of that 40 zone now, so this street would be 50 by default. At the end of street, turn right, mirror, signal, move back to left hand side, keep your car straight, stop before you enter into new street, check right and left, all good. And again, when we're turning, we can see there's a 40-kilometer sign on my left hand side. When safe, pull over, mirror, indicator, and just stop before you enter to children crossing. Car goes to parking, of course. Before that, your handbrake comes up. Now this is the end of stage 1 guys. Now we're going for stage 2. Again, stage 2 would be driving in a busier road, doing couple of lane change, couple of stop sign. Do things if it's safe, don't do things if it's not safe. So when you're ready, when safe, move off, indicate right, car on drive. Finally your handbrake goes down, and a shoulder check to your right hand side, and we go. Do not forget you are in a 40-kilometer zone, and it's a permanent 40. Next roundabout, turn left. So your mirror, rear view mirror, signal left, start slowing down. The 50 sign comes up here, means after the roundabout we can go 50 now. And now guys, at the end of street, turn right. If you look at there, one black car is waiting there, there's a stop sign there. No matter how long I spend on a second position, when it comes my turn, I need to go and stop there, bring my speed completely 0, and I can only turn when it's all clear. I can't just go behind this car if even nothing is coming, like he's moving. I need to come and stop here completely. If you can't see clear on your right hand side, you can always keep forward guys. Make sure you are not turning in your blind spot. So left looks clear to me. I got 2 cars coming from my right hand side, which means after this I'm good to go. That's it. But make sure you're picking up a safe gap. It is a 1-lane road, 60-kilometer zone. Drive 50, 55 or 58. Do not drive below 50 here now. If you remember, I was saying inside when we were driving in a build-up area that if the roads are congested, do not go fast. You will get time to drive faster. Now this is the road where you need to show the tester that yeah, you are confident enough. If you look at on your left hand side, there is a 70-kilometer sign guys, but remember this 70 will start once you have crossed this sign. Done. And keep scanning your mirror guys, like keep looking your rear view mirror, sometime on your right mirror, sometime on left mirror. After every 30 seconds, have a look there. Continue straight from left lane. So yeah, it's 70 now, 60, 65 should be your speed. And since you're in a 2-lane road, you'll be asked to do lane change. When safe, move to right lane, mirror, signal right, head check to right, and move your car to the right hand side. Turn off your signal once your 4 wheels comes into the lane. Now this street is very interesting guys. You'll be asked here, just after the traffic light, turn right. So I would recommend to start slowing down your car because it is just after the traffic light. Indicate right now and start slowing down your car. You'll see there's a broken lane on your right hand side. turn from there, like here. Done. And we are back to build up area. This is just a curvy road, guys. It has a lot of bends here, so be slow here. No need to go fast. Now there's a truck parked on your left hand side and there's a red car, overtaking the truck. So make sure this is your blind spot. You go really slow here because we're using other side of the road. Street like this, we don't have to indicate, but just stay in your side of the road. Now this is again interesting turn. At the end of street, turn right into the left lane. So bring it on a stop sign first. Make sure your car has stopped completely. We can go, once the right traffic is clear, we can go and wait in median turning lane, which is right in the center, but there should be no one turning from that side. So there's only 2 cars approaching from our right hand side. Once they're gone, I'll start moving slow forward now. We're turning right into left lane. Left looks clear. I'm going straight to the left lane. Now, next traffic light, turn left. Mirror, signal, come to the left. Watch for the pedestrians, no one. Check your right, nothing is approaching. Left should be into the left lane. When safe, move to right lane. Mirror, signal, head check. And we are into right lane. Now you'll be asked here, guys, perform U-turn. So there is a medium turning lane on your right hand side. Indicator, slow it down. Move your car to the center. Make sure nothing coming from other side. Perform a U-turn to the right hand side always. After turn, check your rear view mirror. Next traffic light, turn right into the left lane. So now it's a pretty easy instruction to understand. The saying turn right into the left lane. So that means no matter how many lanes are there, we straight go to the left lane. If it's a 2 lane, we go to the left lane. If it's a 3 lane, we again go to the left lane. We don't have to go to the right or middle lane. So turning right into left lane, which means we are here. And this road has a 70 km speed limit. You will not be able to see the speed sign initially, but later you will. Now, when safe, move to right lane. Mirror, signal, shoulder check on your right hand side. Move your car to the right. There's a 70 km sign on your right and left hand side, guys. When it's safe, move to the left lane. Mirror, signal left, do a shoulder check to the left hand side, move to the left hand side. Easy. Once your 4-wheel comes into the lane, turn off your indicator. Now with this test route, guys, tester will ask you to stay on the left lane, and once you cross the traffic light, you have to do lane change by yourself, because it says on your left hand side, the yellow board says left lane and merge right. So indicate right, do a shoulder check to right and merge it to the right. If you can see, there's a form 1 lane sign is there as well. So make sure you're looking all these signs. Do not miss the sign, because if you miss the sign, you don't know what you're going to do, right? So do a lot of practice before you go for drive test. That is the best thing. Look every sign. Like right now we can see the traffic light is green ahead. So it is always good to be prepared. What if light goes yellow or red? But right now it's green. If it goes yellow now, we go, because we're really close to this traffic light. Next traffic light, turn right. So indicate right now. There's a broken lane on your right hand side. Get in from there and start slowing down your car. Make sure you're looking all these people here, because they walk here when it's not even their signal. So try to be extra safe sometime, because well, you know how pedestrian goes on the road. So be safe. If you are the first car on the traffic light, guys, make sure your eyes stays on the light. Do not try to start looking on your right or left hand side. Just keep your eyes on the light, because if the light goes green and you do not move your car and somebody beep your horn, it's immediate fail, because someone is reminding you to move your car forward. So I would always recommend, if you're waiting on the traffic light, keep your eyes on the light. The moment it goes green, start moving your car. Alright, the road we turn has a 60 km speed limit. On your left hand side there's a roundabout sign, there's a 60 km sign, just for your information. At the next roundabout, turn your car around, so means U-turn. Right indicator, check your right, and we're doing a U-turn, guys. That's it. Next traffic light, turn right. It's a very weird looking street, but just slow down here, indicate right, and get into the right hand side. Sometime when you try to make your wheel straight, the indicator goes off. Make sure you put your indicator back on immediately so that you don't get marked down for that. So the guy on our left hand side got a green signal, but we still have a red arrow, so we just need to wait for red arrow to disappear. When it disappears, we'll see how we go. There you are. Now guys, right should turn into the right lane, that is the law, and left should go into the left lane, that is the law. Do not turn right into the left lane and do not turn left into the right lane unless tester has asked you to do that. So there is a 40 km sign, but it says school zone. Right now it's school holidays here, and school zone is only during school days, morning 8 to 9:30 and afternoon 2:30 to 4 p.m. Now when you're going back to Vic Road from here, the test will ask you to stay on the left lane. Why? Because they will ask you to do lane change. So now when you're in a left lane, test will ask you, next traffic light, turn right, which means you need to do lane change. So mirror, indicator, head check to the right hand side and bring your car to the right lane, guys. That's it. So there will be two type of instruction: when safe, move to left lane; when safe, move to right lane. Or other, when you're driving on a right lane, they will ask you next street, turn left, which means perform a lane change. The speed limit is 60 km. Now next traffic light, turn right, indicate and get in from the broken lane, the very first broken lane. And if it's a right turn, always come into the right lane. Do not go to the left. Like I said, unless they have asked you, turn right from left lane. We almost done, guys. We just at the traffic light, and next turn we turn right into the Vic Road car park. When you're going in, just be calm, relax. If it's a busy, take your time. You don't have to, park the way you are confident. Like, I mean, if you're confident to park straight in, just go straight in. But if you're confident enough to park reverse in, do reverse then. But just don't hit the curve when you're going and park there, because again, people do fail their drive test when they go and park their car and hit the curve. So be more calm, be more relaxed. If you got any question with this test route, guys, please feel free to call me on 044 8099 742. Now we got a green signal, we're turning right, we should stick to the right lane, and when you're turning, have a look on the speed sign. If you can see somewhere, it's 50. Turn right, mirror, indicator, bring your car into the right lane. After this car, nothing approaching, go a bit forward and turn to the left hand side of the road. And here test will ask you, turn right into Vic Road car park. So mirror, indicator, bring your car in, and from here you can go left, you can go right. I'm just going to go a bit left, and on the first parking I'm going to finish my car parking here. I can see myself on a reflection right up there. I mean, if you're paying that much attention, make sure you pull your handbrake first, then put your car on parking. And that's it. This is the end of drive test, guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask me on 044 8099 742. Please like our videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Manu Driving School. Please follow us on Instagram, Manu Driving School.